Hey guys, today we are going to be checking out the worst A-class cars in Asphalt 8. Now I don't really have all of the cars that I'm going to be telling the list. So go see Alice Cheescott's video, I'll link in the description. So let me go to A-class. In the third position we have the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACRX thingy. I don't know what the heck. Yeah, this thing might seem good at all. Like, it's decently cheap. It has quite a bit of rank. Yeah, it might be seem like a good starter car. It looks really fast. It's not. It's quite slow. The acceleration's quite terrible. And I've played Asphalt 8 before deleting it and then re-downloading it, so I know a little. And I bought this car before. Yeah, it's, excuse me, not the best. Yeah, I cannot buy this yet because I don't have any more credits or don't have enough rather. And at the second spot we have this trash. The Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG GT Coupe, the final edition thingy trash thingy. I mean, come on. This thing has so many colors and all this. This is like a final edition version of the C-Class car. This thing. It's a non-electric version of it. But there's nothing special with this final edition thing. This thing has such horrible acceleration, horrible handling, horrible speed, horrible nitro efficiency, everything. The acceleration is terrible. What if you get slammed into a wall? Yeah, imagine using this in multiplayer. It's gonna be like super terrible if somebody just slams you into the wall. You're just gonna be gone. Let me just show you this with this trash. Let me go see any A-class to D-class. Also, by the way, I don't know what this music is, so hopefully the video doesn't get copyrighted like that. Oh, of course I have the underranked. I'm not gonna upgrade this trash. I'll be underranked because I'm a noob and gonna be absolutely embarrassed in front of anybody. Let's do this then. Oh no, we got the Audi R8 special edition thing. See, look at the terrible acceleration. But luckily I have a little hack for you. If you don't have nitro, drift to get more speed or accelerate faster. But if you have nitro, please use it. It's faster. Oh, come on, this acceleration is pure. Stay hygienic, guys. Sorry for a little disruption. Let's see how much skill I have to navigate this trash. Yeah, even the AI can troll you. Like when you want to smash the AI from, like, T-bone the AI from a side, you might miss like barely and then like slam into the wall and then lose your precious speed. Yeah, even just slamming into the back of some cars might go down. Yeah, so the life hack, if you have this or any other slow accelerating cars, drift if you don't have nitro yet. Yeet. Oh, come on, this guy is like casually beating me like nothing. Yeah, this final edition thing is not special in any ways. Not all. Let me see if I could get the meters on nitro out of here. Let's try getting a full nitro tank to test out the nitro duration thing. Oh, come on, of course I have to go in this stupid zone. Oh, come on, the handling! Stupid handling. Something. It's a Dodge Viper. Fine, I'll use the nitro, use the wind. I like literally blasted the guy off the cliff. Ew! Look at that acceleration, especially on tons. That's literal trash. Are you kidding me? I'm not even done with the list too. Come on. Give me a full nitro bomb. Bing bong. Okay, full nitro bar. Need to find a suitable place for the nitro duration or how far this nitro goes. And Nick, take note. This one, oh come on, there's of course there have be a perfect one to make me cheat. Actually, the nitro duration thing on efficiency is not so bad. And everything else is trash. Speed trash, acceleration trash, handling trash. Buy the Pagani Zonda instead. It also has some acceleration problems, but handling is pretty good. Speed is pretty good. Nitro efficiency is pretty. What the heck is that stunt? It's pretty good. Yeah. Well, somehow defeated it. Now the number one. Even if I have enough money, I do not want to waste it. Of course, you know. Probably it's the first seemingly cheap or one of the cheapest Class A cars. It's the Ford GT 2006, super cheap, super worth it. No, it's not. It's absolute trash. It's even more trash. Go check out Alice Cheesecoat's channel. He told that the nitro efficiency is as bad as the Dodge Dart. Now I have to go through a Dodge Dart clip, haven't I? Now let me show the nitro duration of efficiency of the Dodge Dart. Then you'll know how bad it is. Yeah, even the Dodge Dart is fine. Because come on, it's a beginner D-class car. Yeah, that's the nitro efficiency of a Ford GT 2006. An A-class car has the efficiency of a beginner D-class car. Wow, that was sick. I haven't driven so slow like forever. This is why I have such big brains. I just slam into somebody hoping I'll knock them down. Yeah, that's how bad the Ford GT 2006 and stuff is. Even the speed is bad. I've seen it before. Like, I bought it before. I used to think it's super good and all, but it's actually trash. And now, when I have faint memories of it, how trash the speed is. I could even forgive the Dodge Dart. Oh, that was almost a close one. I got a video coming up. Can you guys guess what it is? Actually, go follow my Instagram. I'll tell next video what it is. Why did I even mention it then? Oh dear. Cough a lot, wear your masks, get your hand sanitizer. No, it's just a joke, but still. Sorry. I know it's kind of not fair, like for the nitro distance. It's just the efficiency. That's why I do not buy the Ford GT 2006. Or buy the Sesto Elemento, although now it's tokens. Come on, Game Off, it's such a good car. It used to be 175,000 credits, totally worth it. Yeah, it was like my favorite Lamborghini. And here's a stupid fact. I thought the 10 holes or something were 10 exhaust pipes that somehow didn't work. That's why no nitro was coming out of them. That's a freaking trash, really. I don't know, maybe it's maybe it's an engine coolant. And also to indicate there's a V10 engine. Is that true? Well, this Cannibal by Silver Sun Pickups for the song credit thingy. So that I don't get copyrighted, hopefully. Sorry. Okay guys, that's your list of the worst A-class cars. Now just to give you a comparison to all these, I'm gonna do a race with the Pagani Zonda. Wait one moment. This is actually a very helpful feature though. So I'm gonna compare Pagani Zonda versus all the other trash stuff for this list. This is also a decently cheap car. And oh, by the way, I just wasted money buying a big car. Yeah, the acceleration might be slower than the final edition trash, but still, speed, handling, everything's better. How come this Corvette C3 is so good at? Like, it has the best suspension in the game. I think even better than the Ford F-150. What is that roaring engine? Is that Viper? I hear super loud roaring. Okay, it's gone. Oh, look, it's Go With The Flow. I just noticed. My favorite music from Queens of the Stone Age. Again, I need to say, because I can't put I can't put text on. I'm too lazy to put I'm too lazy to put text on the screen, so I just say it because I'm having bad cough. That's why be safe, guys. Don't get the virus. Just stay at home. Follow what your country says about the virus, and don't be trash at Asphalt. I'm just kidding on that one. Oh, it's this thing, the black series. It's pretty decent. You trash, get out of here, you V10 whatnot. SRT10. Are you kidding me? Why the AI so genius? Oh, by the way, this is filmed on the same day as why the Lotus Evija could have been king of Class A, but then Asphalt didn't let it be whatever around that title. Come on, you stupid final edition thing. I'm literally going 59 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna use my little hack of drifting to. Wait, is that the same special edition trash again behind me? How the fast did it respawn? How close did it respawn? Viper. Thank goodness the Ford GT 2006 isn't here, but then the Ford GT 2017 is here. Guess it's. Wait, I don't know if it is. Check Alice Cheese Scott's channel to see if it's worth it. I don't know. Maybe it's better. I don't know, because it's like R&D, so I'm definitely not gonna win the car, so I just skip the R&D. It is here for the special edition sale thingy, blah blah blah. But I'm broke, obviously, so can't get it. What was that? Goodness. Asleep at the Wheel by the Band of Skulls. What the heck? Why am I doing so many crazy stunts in this video? Midday, sorry. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. A little bit off topic. Go and watch Alice Cheese Scott because my stuff is trash. Okay guys, bye.